Hello traders out there in Traderland. My name's Dez here at Grok Trade. It's Thursday, September 19th, 2013. Well, a day after Ben Bernanke and the Fed boys come out saying they're going to stick to their plan, the markets rallied to all-time highs yesterday in all major indices. Today, though, it's a mixed market, mostly to the downside. The S&P down 0.2%, the Dow down about 0.25%, with the Nasdaq up a fraction, and Russell's down 0.16%. Banks off by 1.4%. Again, major weakness in financials yesterday. This was witnessed, and it continues into today. VIX volatility index, the fear is leaving though. What's interesting is fear continues to drop, down more than 3%. Look at this. We're around 13. Gold off by 0.2%. Silver off by 0.5%. And we have crude oil off by 1.6%, with the US dollar up a fraction. Utility index is down 0.3%. But very nice strength in transportation. We're seeing a lot of strength in transportation. But here it is, gang. Yesterday we had this big boom to the upside. Multi-leg run. These bars just stacked on top of each other, going to these new heights. Today, though, we get a red candlestick, an even top. This is a tweezer top. Tweezer tops can be very, very bearish. And on top of it, we have what's called a bearish thrusting pattern. So you have two reversal patterns in the makings. It would not be surprising to see us release down to the downside, let gravity pull it down a bit, finding a support area around 1710 area, and waiting for a bounce off of that. So it's something that we're looking at. I think could be probable. Gold doesn't surprise us. We had support broken. Now it's acting as resistance. So we have a little spinning top at a resistance point. So it's going to be tough. I can see us crawling up this line and then dropping. But we need to get back in between these two parallel lines to really heal itself and this be considered a jab. And if you take a look here, silver higher high, higher low, bearish thrusting pattern, staying below the 20-day moving average. And then we have Google, big gap up and a sell off. And here, bearish thrusting pattern to the downside. And Apple was up 1.64%. Nice little pop here, coming into a resistance area, coming across right here. Be careful if you're long. And Facebook, definitely at a resistance area. Be careful if you're long. And we have Microsoft up about 1%, right at a resistance area. Be careful if you are long. So check out what Mike has to say next. Catch you guys later.
Hi, my name is Mike, and I wanted to take a quick moment to tell you about Grok Trade's 3-day mentorship program. The past few years have been really rough for us. I've lost a lot of money in the markets, didn't really know which ones would be a winning stock, and really I spent my head behind a computer a lot, buried in trying to figure out what the charts and the graphs really mean, and analysis was just not my thing. So finally there came a point where, I've been watching the Grok Trades 3-day or the free market reports and videos that they do, and I've always wanted to take their 3-day mentoring program. However, I never found the time. But finally I said to myself, there's got to be a point where you stop losing money, and you got to learn to do this right if you're going to do it at all. And that's when I made the mental commitment to go ahead and take the Grok's training. The 3-day course, the 3-day mentorship program has been amazing. I now have the confidence that I need to be able to pick the right stocks, look at the data, throw out the fluff, and get right down to what I need to look at to make the decisions. And now I don't have the weakness in my trading strategies anymore. So I only wish I really found it sooner. I know this is going to be a great thing for you. Every trader needs to have a mentor of some kind. The Grok trade system is a logical choice, and it's been fantastic for us, and I know it'll do the same for you. Thanks.